French drains have been a common drainage system used to keep basements dry for years. But are they the best? Stay tuned to find out if there is a better drainage system for your basement. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. The French drain system was named after Henry Flagg French, the man who invented it and wrote a book about farm drainage published in Massachusetts in 1859. In this video, I'll tell you what a French drain system is, what issues it can have, and if there are better options. Before we go further though, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. What is a French drain system? So when we're talking about French drain systems, especially around someone's basement, what we're usually referring to is an exterior drainage that's a perforated tile that just has gravel around it. A lot of times it's a sock tile where it has a thin fabric over the outside to help protect that. But at the end of the day, it's a plastic drain tile that's usually circle and it's backfilled around it with gravel. The biggest issue that you have is that it's circle and it's usually buried 8 to 10 foot. So what this allows is the pressure of the ground, the weight of the soil to start to collapse that drain over time. The other thing is this has perforations all the way around the system. And even though it could be covered by a real thin fabric, those slits are at the top, the sides, the bottoms, and everywhere in between. So this is going to allow water to carry sand and dirt and sediment into that drainage tile. And since it's also ribbed, it allows for that sediment to actually build up and clog that system over the years. As far as exterior, the French drain, how we're doing them today when we build a home, is a great option. Since that's being built, you've already got your exterior excavated. That's a great time to do that type of solution. Now, if we've lived in our home, all that area has been backfilled, your landscaping's around your home, you have your deck, your sidewalks, your patios, not to mention your garage next to your home. Digging up the outside and putting a French drain in, whether it's 3 foot deep or 8 foot deep, is usually not the best option. It's usually best to go inside. The biggest reason is just simply because the seal of that basement has already broke. So any additional water is going to come into that basement that outside or the French drain doesn't collect. And so instead, here at AccuLevel, we like to go on the inside where we can contain that water at all of its entry points, whether it's through the wall, between where the wall and the footing meet, or even coming up underneath the slab. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about French drains? If so, please leave those in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.